Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and my girlfriend got me the MANSCAPED Lawnmower 4.0, and she also got me the Weed Whacker, I guess, for the nose. I'm probably not going to test out the Weed Whacker at all right now because I did trim my nose only a couple of days ago. But this, I was thinking about testing it on my face because I don't think we're going to do a review of it on my butt. We're going to do a review of it probably on my face and see how it cuts with that. So let's cut it open first and see what we get. Actually, you know what? We'll open up this first, see what we get in the box, because I'm not going to do a separate unboxing for that. That's kind of pointless. So let's cut this open. So it's going to open up just like that. That's what the back looks like if you guys want to pause that or read anything about it. This is the 4.0, so if you're watching this video, you probably already know about this company or, you know, stuff, because it's not like they just came out. One amp. This is a 1 amp brick, so that means you could plug this into anywhere and it's going to work. So I'm going to plug it into my, so we're going to plug it in, and this lights up. I'm just showing you, and that's kind of what it lights up to be. So that's what it looks like. This is how you can clean it. Everything looks plastic and easily to clean. So I guess you go like this, and then you spin it, and that kind of clips it on. These are the operating instructions. If you guys want to check those out, get a little test on that. So, solid when fully charged. Blinking when battery is low. Blinking while plugged in just means it's charging. So we're going to let this charge for a little bit is my plan, but that's what it looks like when it is charging. Because now it's on. Very, very silent. I don't hear anything. So that's really cool. And that's it. So that's the unboxing. This is not really a review of it because I do not plan to be using it. So let's open this up. This is what the back looks like if you guys want to see exactly everything it has in the back right there. This is what the front looks like. A little bit of a glare. So I think it slides out. Yep, slides out. Just like so. And then, oh, it opens up just like that. Okay, it's a whole new balls game. Okay, whatever. So this is kind of what it looks like. That's that technology that they're talking about with the ceramic up there. I just turned it on. That's what it sounds like. That's the little light that it has. See, so you guys can see how bright it is. So you guys can see what's up. I'm gonna charge mine for a little bit before using it, but I am gonna, you know, mess with it, like I said, on my face. Let's get moving, blah, blah, blah. This is what it says. Be smart, okay. Gas it up before the first use. Make sure it's fully charged, okay. Move low and slow, okay. Don't use it like that, it says, okay. That's it. Gas it up, customer service, yada, yada, yada. Done. Okay. Alright, anyway, so this is kind of what it looks like. Replacing the blade, all that other stuff. It's right here. Say hello to your new trimmer. I'm not going to read all that. I figure it's a trimmer. It just should work. That's for cleaning. I don't really care about that. Anything special about using it? Charging, multifunction. Nah, nothing really. Nothing crazy about using it. Like what I said. And this is the only one that's a quick start guide, and it tells you, I think, how to do your balls. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use it for my face, so that's it. So that's the unboxing. It comes with all this. This is the charging dock. The charger must be in this bag, I guess. Another, the same exact one. It's yep, 1 amp. So it's the same exact thing. Nothing special on that. This looks like a USB-C charger, so they did update this, which is kind of cool. But it's still, actually, it just plugs into the back of that, so that's all it works. I'm going to go over here to this counter, and we're going to see it being plugged in. We're going to look down at it over there. and see if anything changes on it when I put this on or anything like that. So we're going to put it in like this. And then it lights up. Oh, and it tells you there's 3 bars of electricity that it tells you. Mine says it's on number 2, so I'm going to fully charge it and then use it on my face, and we'll do a review of that. Alright, so we'll be back. This was just the unboxing. We're going to, oh, look, like I said, there was other clips in here, different sizes. I'm not going to use these different sizes. I like to shave down to the bare minimum. This way I have longer time in between mine. I don't really, I'm a maintenance-free person, no matter what. I love not spending money and making everything as maintenance free as possible. So that's all what I'm all about. So that's charging. It's going to do that. We're going to let that do that little charge. Alright guys, so we are back with the Glen Velvet reviews here, and now we're going to give this thing a little test. Alright, and yeah, we're gonna see what this thing works. I'm gonna use it on my face, obviously. This is the first time I'm using it. It is brand new. It cut really nice because the blades are new. I don't know what they're gonna cut like when they're old. My other razor is an Arelco piece of shit for maybe like a half the price of this thing. And I don't know, I have to say I like it better. This, like I said, is probably made only for your asshole and your balls or whatever the hell whatever the hell. I guess that's what it's for, and only for. Because the face, like I said, I had a problem. It didn't go as close as I wanted to. My other shaver gets a lot closer. I know you can't do your head with it, but the other shaver I can do my head with it. So it's okay if you're only going to be, I guess, using it for balls, you know, or, you know, whatever the hell this thing is supposed to be. I don't know, you know what I mean? I'm sure that slides out for easy cleaning. This thing's supposed to slide out for easy cleaning, I think. But, like I said, it's probably great for your private area. Yeah, that's it. So that's it for the review on that and me using it. Like I said, I know it's not made for the face, really, but I still would have liked to have used it on my face easily, and this one's probably not the best for the face. But I guess that's about it for that. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. Alright? Well, thanks a lot, guys. I'm out. That's my opinionated review on this. That's just what I think.